Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking into the SQL Where statement. The SQL Where statement is very useful when you're looking for a specific value within a column. So what we can do is look for a specific value in this actor table. So what I'm going to do is search for where the last name is equal to Chase. So if I do select all from actor where last name equals Chase. And of course it's a string, so we've got to use our quotes to be able to run this query properly. So as you can see, we've now found that we've got two actors with the last name Chase of Ed Chase and John Chase. So yeah, a very simple statement to use, and a great one to use whenever you want to look for something specific. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.